In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix photo preview not showing in Windows 11. First, open File Explorer, then at the top toolbar, click on View, and make sure that Preview pane is turned on so Windows can show image previews. Then next, check Folder Options, and to do that, click on the three dot icon beside View. Then next, from the pop-up window, switch to the View tab and make sure that Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails is unchecked. This lets Windows generate thumbnail previews for your images, and if previews still don't show, try restarting your PC. After that, Windows 11 should display photo previews normally in File Explorer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!